everyone, we're going to graph this piecewise defined function, and we're going to evaluate it at f equals f of -2, f of 0, f of 2, and f of 15. The main thing you need to know here, this is your y part, this is your domain, this part in here, so that's your actual function, and this is your x part, your domain, your input. This should be your input, and this your y is your output. So let's go ahead and start graphing it. And we graph from top to bottom usually. So I need to know what's going on from -3, 1, 2, 3, -3 on the x, on the domain, to 0. Well, everywhere from -3 to 0, this is basically y equals 0x plus 2. So it's a constant function. Now at 0 it can't equal 2, but we do the open interval though. Maybe I should do this one in red. So open interval. At -3 it can equal 2, so we close that up. And it's constant between -3 and 0. Alright? Now at 0, it's e to the x. So let's go ahead and plug in 0. E to the 0, anything to the 0 power equals 1. So I'll do this one in blue. So at 0, it's 1, but it's closed. And then at 1, it's just e. Remember, e equals 2.718. So it's very close to 3. So basically, we go to very close to 3. 1, 2, 3. And at 2, that's kind of like almost 3 squared, which is 9. Then I'm going to just go up to kind of up in here. All right. So we'll just get it close into there. It doesn't have to be exact. We're just sketching it. All right. So here we go. It's like this. It's an exponential function. So it's like that. I just erase this. Get close to 9. This is at 2. So I made it too close. So we just want to get kind of close up to 2 there. All right. And now the third piece is a linear function, and that happens at 2. And so at 2, you plug in 2. So 3 times 2 minus 2 is 6 minus 2 is 2. Now it can't equal 2. 6 minus 2 is actually 4. So basically we go up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do open circle. And let's plug in another one. Let's plug in 3. So you plug in 3, that's going to be 9 minus 2, which is 7. So we're up in, this was 4, 5, 6, 7. We know it's a line because it's linear. So just draw a straight line there. The slope of 3. And there's your piecewise function. All right. Now, let me get rid of some of those dots. Okay. Now we just have to evaluate these. So I'm going to erase this. I'm going to try to clean this up. Okay. So at f equals -2. F equals -2 in this domain. Because -2 is in between -3 and 0. So in here, any values between -3 and 0 is 2. Because this is -2 would be right here. You go up to the y, and we're at 2. So this is going to equal 2. Now f of 0, you're at 0, that equals 1. It can't equal 2 because it's open there. So it equals 1. Or you can just plug it in there and do that. All right? Because we're doing f of 0, because e to the 0 equals 1. We already did that one. All right, and then f of 2 is in the same place, so we're just going to write e squared. And f of 15 is in this interval here, so that's 3 times 15 minus 2, so that's going to be 30 minus 2. That equals 28. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.